Alright, what's up guys? Mark Stelly here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what you need to focus on if you want to start making $1,000 plus weekly inside of MC. I'm going over the basics. Alright, if you're brand new, even if you're making money, you're not making $1,000 a week, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually start making $1,000 a week starting this week if you focus on these basics. Okay, before you even get into this, subscribe to my channel so you can be updated of when I put out any more new training. I'm gonna try to put out a few trainings for you guys every single week. All right, so subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button below, and hit the notification bell so you get notified as soon as I drop a new training. It's gonna help you guys explore. The first thing that you need to understand is how to create traffic, how to turn that traffic into leads, and how to follow up with those leads. If you learn how to do these three things, you'll start making a lot of sales. If your goal is to make sales, to start making $1,000 a week, you need to learn how to gain traffic, how to turn that traffic into leads, and how to follow up with that traffic. These are the best sites, in my opinion, you should be focusing on to create traffic. Okay, these aren't the only sites. There's other sites out there that you can create traffic on, but these are the ones that I would say you should start with. Craigslist is just a great area. Has a lot of free traffic. If you learn how to post ads on there, you can start getting a lot of free traffic on there. Uh, YouTube is another fantastic place. There is billions and billions of people looking up videos on YouTube. Okay, guys, you're putting content out there. You learn how to create traffic on there. The same concept. You just gotta learn how to create traffic, how to catch people's attention. All right, and you'll be able to start turning that traffic into leads that'll eventually lead to you can follow up with. That'll get you sales. Facebook is a fantastic. This is actually my number one traffic source. Okay, Facebook is a great place. Has billions and billions of users. People on Facebook daily, all day. Okay, guys, it's a great. Instagram is another fantastic place. People love Instagram. People are always on there looking at pictures. It's another very, very powerful social media site that you can use if you learn how to master traffic on there, turn traffic into leads. And Google is just another fantastic place. People are always going on Google, doing search. If you can learn how to get the traffic from that site, guys, it's another great place. You get a lot of leads, turn that traffic into leads, follow up, that'll get you a lot of sales. Next thing we're gonna go to is how to actually create traffic by catching attention. All right, and Facebook is my main traffic source. Okay, guys, I get most of my income from Facebook. All right, so before you even like just go out there and I'm just gonna test out every single thing, I'd recommend you master one site first before moving to like 1,000 different sites or trying to do Facebook and Instagram and Twitter all three at the same time. You haven't even mastered one. All right, so the first thing you can do is just master one site or how to get traffic on there, then apply those same principles to the next site. Okay, so as you can see right here on this website, see right here with this ad, I posted an ad on Facebook. As you can see, the title is very catchy. It says he gets fired from his job. What he does next will shock you. Okay, this just catches people's attention. 92,000 people was reached with this one single ad. Okay, there's people that are catch attention to that created a lot of traffic. Okay, so 92,000 people. Imagine 92,000 people seeing you. 92,000 people seeing your video ad. All right, think of how many sales you can make off of that. This is just showing you how people are getting traffic on YouTube. Okay, it's not very different. As you see, this they're putting very catchy titles, testing fast ways to make money online. Okay, 3 ways to make money online. Right, and these are just titles gonna catch people's attention. The thumbnails, the pictures, that catch people's attention. Okay, it's all about catching people's attention. Wherever you go, all you gotta focus on is learning how to catch people's attention. And the best way to do that is by looking up ads, seeing what they're doing, and then just replicate what they're doing. Okay, guys, you don't gotta reinvent the wheel. All you gotta do is copy what's already working. See what ads are out there that are working, and duplicate what they're doing, and you'll start having success. You'll learn how to create traffic. Because what are these people doing? They're just creating traffic. Okay, it's very simple. Everybody's doing the same thing. We're creating traffic. Okay, and here it is, another ad on Craigslist. Okay, they're applying the same principles. What are they doing? They're catching people's attention. Post to social media, get leads, get sales, 80 per sale. All right, it's a very simple ad, very clear cut to the chase, catches somebody's attention. That person's gonna come asking for information. And this is Google. As you can see, Google, I know you've seen ads on Google all the time. What are these people trying to do? They're trying to catch people's attention. Okay? So you pretty much apply the same type of principles. All right? How to make money online. You can put it on the side. Imagine if you had like an ad on the side of Google, thousands of people searching up that search term. Okay. Now, people who contact you for information from the traffic that you create, those are considered leads. Okay. As you can see, this ad right here, 11,000 people was reached. That was traffic that was created. 55,200 people viewed the video. That's traffic that's created. But they're not a lead until they ask for information. Until I have their contact information. You see right here on Facebook, I could simply just send them information. Now I have them inside of my inbox and I can follow up with them later on. Okay? Because now they become a lead because they ask for information. People that just watch the video, those aren't leads because they didn't actually ask for information. But people that actually ask for information, those are considered leads. Here's another way you catch leads. You can have them enter their name and their email. All right, by them entering their name and their email, they now become a lead because you have their contact information. You have their email, you have their name. Now you can send them the information that they asked for. And that person is lead because they're interested in what you have to offer. All right. Now for Facebook, it's very simple because I could just inbox that person. They're a lead that I have in my inbox. But for Google, Craigslist is different. Okay, that person, there's no way for me to just inbox them like I can on Facebook. So what do I have to do? I have to somehow get their contact information, right? So I'll send them to a capture page like this that they'll enter in their name and their email, okay? And now they become a lead. All right, now I could send that person I could send that person the information that they asked for, or whatever I want to do with their contact information later on. Now the goal should be to get 100 leads daily. All right, if you're getting 100 leads daily, it should equal out to about $1,000 plus weekly income. And I'm going to break down exactly why that equals out to $1,000 plus weekly income. The average market buy rate is 3%. Okay, guys. So what you should understand is about 3% of the leads that you get will actually buy what you're selling. All right. So if what's 3% of 100 leads a day? It would be 0 to 3 sales a day. Now I say 0 sales because you have to also, there's another factor that goes into it that we're going to be covering later on, how to get those 3 leads, and it could even be more than 3 sales a day. All right, but I'm just saying on average, it'll probably be 0 to 3 sales because sometimes you might get no sales. Your web page might be bad. The website that you might be using is not a good high converting website. All right, you might not know exactly what you're doing, so that's why I say 0 to 3 sales. But if you're following the principles I'm about to break down later on in this video, you should be getting at 3 or more sales per day. Now you must follow up with your leads. Now this is why I say 0 to 3 because if you're not following up with your leads, this will cause you to probably not get sales. Most of my sales come from following up. 80% of my sales come from following up with my leads. So you have to follow up with your leads on a consistent basis. And when I don't just say one time consistently, okay, because I'm about to be going down the best way so you consistently follow up with your leads and get a lot more sales. Email marketing is one of the most effective follow-up methods. Emailing people, that's why you always have McDonald's asking for your email. So you always have like all these restaurants and clothing places, they always want your email because they understand that they follow up with you, you're more likely to buy than when the first time you see something. Because you're probably going to see it and you're going to forget it because we see a million things daily, guys. We're in an information age. You're seeing a whole bunch of billboards, seeing a whole bunch of ads all over the place. It's hard for you to even remember one thing, 1 second, okay? So you got to keep remembering to be in front of somebody so that they'll remember you, okay? You got to keep reminding them over and over again of the offer. You got to remind them the lead of that offer over and over again until they buy from you, all right? And email marketing is one of the most effective ways. Me personally, I like to email people at least twice a day, one time in the morning, one time at night, all right? And the thing is, like I said, most of my sales come from following up. That person might not buy that same exact day because maybe they don't have the money. Maybe they don't really fully trust it yet. Maybe they don't fully know who I am. All right. So that email gives me a time to build a relationship with them. It gives me the time to build up trust with them. It gives me the time to keep reminding them of my offer. So I can follow up with them. For example, there's people that I know that have contacted me for information and they'll just sit there, they'll just watch me, they'll get my emails and they won't join. But then they'll join me like 3 weeks later or 3 months later or a whole year later. I have people that have joined me a whole year later. That's just from me being consistent, following up with them seeing my content over and over again. And it pretty much builds up the trust with them where they're like, you know what? I trust this is pretty consistent. This looks very real. I'm going to get in. Now, you must keep reminding your leads of your offer. It usually takes someone 7 times to buy something. Okay, they have to see something 7 times before they even decide to buy it. So it's very important that you keep reminding people of your offer. The average times when I need to see someone before they buy it is 7 times. Okay, so before like that's why McDonald's is always showing you their ads. That's why you're all seeing their ads on Facebook. That's why you're all seeing all these big companies showing you the ads over and over again. Even though they're huge companies, they understand that they have to keep reminding you they're there I keep reminding you so that you'll go there and you actually buy from them. Okay. So it takes somebody 7 times to see something before they buy from you. So if you show somebody information one time and you're shocked they didn't buy from you, you shouldn't be. All right. That's normal. That's very, very normal. Okay. It takes somebody at least 7 times of them seeing you to do something before they make that decision that, you know what, I'm going to buy from you. Okay. So with this information, how do you make $1,000 a week with MCA? It's very simple. So we're about to break this down mathematically so you can see how simple this really is to get $1,000 a week with MCA. Okay. Now, if you take 1,000 and you divide that by 80, that gives you 12.5 sales a week. So your goal should be about 13 sales a week. That'll put you above 12.5. Will put you above $1,000 or more every single week within MCA. Okay. Now, remember, 100 leads a day is 3 sales, or is 0 to 3 sales because the average buy rate is 3%. All right. I say 0 sales again. It's because not everybody follows what I just taught earlier. People aren't doing follow ups. People may not have a good website. All right, there might be something wrong with your marketing. Okay, that's why I say 0, because you might be getting leads, but you're not following up with them, or your site may not be good, or for any other reason, you're not getting sales. Okay. Now, so to get $1,000 a week, you just need 425 leads. Okay, that's a typo right there. I meant to put 425 leads. 425 leads times 0.03, which is the average buy rate, would give you 12.75 sales a week. Okay, and 12.75 times 80 equals $1,020. And since we can't get 12.75 sales, I'd really round that up to 13 sales. That'd give you $1,040 made every single week within MCA. Now, what I'm about to be showing you guys is an actual, real, live case proof from me, an example of how many leads I've gotten this week and how many sales I actually got this week with the amount of leads. I'm going to break it down showing you that this formula actually works. Okay, so as you can see right here, inside of my lead system, I had 592 leads within this week, and that gave me 18 sales. Okay, break that down. 592 leads times 0.03 gives me 17.76 sales. You round that up, that's 18 sales. So that's the exact formula. I got 592 leads, 0.3% exact signed up, and that gave me 18 sales for the week. Okay, it's basic math. Okay, guys, you just got to focus on these numbers. All right, and it is very, very simple. So where should you start with all this information I just given you? So like I said earlier, guys, what you want to do is you want to focus on one social media site and master that before you just try and go and do like 10 or 5 at a time. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for you right now, I just said what I'm gonna do for you right now is I'm going to give you my free ebook. Okay, guys, it's called Facebook Mastery, and it's going to teach you how to generate 100 leads per day using Facebook and make your first $10,000 using Facebook. Okay, guys, these are the same exact strategies that I'm using. Okay, it's going to show you exactly how I'm getting leads on Facebook, how I'm generating traffic, how I'm turning that traffic into leads, and how I'm following up with it. It's going to give you basic concepts step by step inside of this ebook. All right, same exact ebook that I've used, the same exact methods that I've used to get hundreds of thousands of reach. As you can see right there, 251,000 people reached in 1 week. Uh, has helped build my page all the way up to 42,000 likes, 47,000 followers. Okay, these are the same exact strategies that I'm using that will be covered inside of this book. So this is a very simple 7-step formula that's going to help you to build your business, discover how exactly how to make your first dollar on Facebook and build your brand. You're also going to get VIP access to my training, my free training group. I'm going to be sharing tactics with you guys. I'm going to be doing live video training with you guys. I'll be doing Q&As inside of there. You have any questions, you can post it inside of there. There's going to be other entrepreneurs in there also that can also help you. All right. Use this book to automate your Facebook business, and it's going to teach you how to go viral.